A Totus Su Achikulis Aki. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here. So as everyone can see, it is 7:35. I have about 4,500 steps already. I woke up super early, but I took advantage of my morning here. So I read the planetary alignments. Mars is supposed to be seen in the east, and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Venus, Venus, are all supposed to be like behind, like Mars and I think Jupiter or something's on the left-hand side of the sun. It's not like a perfect alignment, like, right in a row. And they lay down for 30 minutes, and then I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get up, and have a, good day starting my, videos and pictures. So I'm just gonna make a short video here this morning and then have a lot of photos from last night. I might even do a kissing booth review since I watched that last night, and then include all of my photos because I only got to like 4 different photos in 2 different suits last night, and this is only the start, guys, of Valentine's Day shoots. So definitely very excited in general, with already completing. I know this is like the very first time this has ever happened so far this year, but making that goal, again, it's, like sharing the gray area, it's appropriate, and there's no need for me to frustrate myself and, everyone overthinking, because that happens a lot too. And then sometimes you look suspicious if you share, because I actually had an incident happen like that whenever I was at the volleyball game. I went to the restroom, and everybody knows how us girls, like, there's a lot of paper towel that we have to grab, right, from the rules, and my pom-pom fell, and I was like debating whether saying like, hey, like, that one's obvious, that one's deliberate. So like you make yourself look guilty, like if you are debating whether to say, and it's not really necessary to say. And if someone congratulates you on that gray area, it's not as weird, and it doesn't bring up as many negative emotions. And you also don't have the other person make themselves look silly, because if you said congratulations on not following the gray area, from the park, it could be really bad for you, and you'd make yourself look like you don't have social skills with people. So anyhow, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get going, and then add in all my photos, and then just keep going on a 4-day stretch here for my videos. Talk to you guys later. A Totus Su Achikulis Aki. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a different intro just because I don't know how far, like, it's a 1.6 zoom, so I don't really know how to do an intro with my face. But yesterday, at the start of the video, was yesterday morning's video, so that's a good enough start, and then I might do a little start here at the end. But anyhow, without further ado, I am in my Beyond Adorable little outfit here this morning, and I'm going to go do some snow angels with you guys. Alright guys, there's number 1. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here. Snow Angel round part 2. Right beside my other one. You really gotta watch this snow. It can be quite dangerous, guys. Quite dangerous. That's why I got up a little weird. And no, it's not my knee or anything, so thankful for that. And no need to be worried about me.
A Todesu Achika Lisaki. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here. So coming to you today, this is part 3 of 3 snow angels right beside each other. And then, yeah, we'll get my video up for today. Like I said, you have to be really careful with that. But anyhow, guys, now I will go ahead and twist it around. Nope, it looks like I'm gonna have to end the film and get like a different zoom photo for 3 right beside each other. Hey everyone, your girl Liz here, coming to you today, round 2. And just so everyone knows, I am in purple because Shark Boy, well, first off, you know, this is our 3rd set and hopefully our final set where we're, and I mean like people in Pennsylvania and in our region, are able to, you know, kind of make peace with the fact that this might be the last little storm here, and significant snowfall. So usually white, purple can sometimes go with death, but sometimes also like royal and like happy. And I'm going to be having a royally fun time in Florida here pretty soon. I get an early spring. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get going, and then get these 3 videos in, and then get this up with all of my shoots from yesterday. So here's part 1 of round 2. See what I'm talking about, guys? There's a little bit of a hill, and I even almost kind of slipped coming out of work last night. Like, it was insane. See? You know, I might actually be able to get this whole thing in one little setting if I can keep the identifying factors down. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna go right beside that last one here. Right about here. There we go. Really get those legs bumping, guys. Alright, guys. Now we'll move on to part 3. Looks like we're gonna be set, guys. Awesome, yes. No identifying factors because of the little hill. And I won't say what's on the other side of the hill. But people might have ideas and I won't verify them if they have them. Alright, guys, here we go. See, I'm just like sliding around. Almost sounded like a piece of farm equipment, guys. Holy cow. Alright, guys, my booty is literally frozen right now. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna bring it here. I might have to blur. I don't think so. Yeah, and you can't even get it because of the one-time zoom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a photo, and then that'll pretty much be that, guys. Thanks for watching my parts today.